Hi guys, this video is to teach you quickly how we are going to use breakout rooms in our Google Meet. So this is where you would be when you first sign into our normal class meeting from clicking that link on the banner of our Google Classroom. So we would do our regular whole group portion of class here in the main room. And then if I wanted you to break out into other rooms to do individual or group work, I would post in the chat a link like this that will take you to the options for breakout rooms. So the first thing that you should do before you choose to click on that link and join a room is to mute yourself and turn off your camera in this main room, because you are going to leave the main room open. That is your way of asking me questions if you have questions while you're working, and that's also where we'll come back to after breakout time is over. So you want to mute yourself and turn off your camera, which I'm not going to do because it's going to mess up this recording. And then once you've done that, you can click on the link to take you out to the breakout room choices. I have them housed here in a Google slide that has links on it to take you to whichever Google Meet you might need to go to. So there are three basic options. There's an individual workroom, which means that there may be a number of people in it, but the expectation is that you're working alone and that no one is bothering you. The other option is a quiet group room, which means that you might be collaborating with the other people in the room, but you're doing so in the chat rather than out loud. And then the final option is the open group room, which means that you are on your camera, you're talking to each other. It's like a regular collaboration, like you would have in a classroom. And I do have this note pinned down here that if you need help from me, you are always welcome to pop back into the main room or to stay in the main room before you come to the breakout room so that you can ask me whatever questions you have. So when you're in this slide, you'll see that there are little click here buttons at the bottom of each of the choices. They will take you to the individual Google Meet rooms for whichever choice you make. So I've clicked on the one for the quiet room here. So because it's the quiet room, before I join, I would probably want to mute and turn off my camera because there's no expectation anyone's going to be talking to me. And then you can join that and do your work. If we go back to the board, there's the option for the quiet group room. Same thing, you click on the link and it takes you to the breakout room. Because this room is also quiet and you'll be communicating only through the chat, you would want to definitely turn off your microphone in here. Whether you turn off your camera or not is up to you. And then for the last option, for the open group room, again, you click on the link, it takes you out to the breakout room. This one, you probably don't need to worry about either muting yourself or turning off your camera unless you prefer that your camera is off, because you're going to be talking to people in real time. Do whatever you need to do and then join that one. So those are your basic options. And remember, you can always come back and see me if you need to. I will be hanging out here in the main room and helping people who have specific questions and just getting ready to tell you guys when it's time to come back to the main room. So I hope this is helpful. I know it's complicated, but we're going to have plenty of time to practice with it, and I am going to help you through it. Have a great day.